Hello, my butterflies. Today's video is going to be part 4 of our New Year's Eve tutorials, and this is going to be a follow along with Bailey Syrian. So let's go ahead and get started.
Pencil liner. I'm placing this on my lash line, going outwards. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm just going to blend and soften it. Just get it on there. See that? We're good. Now I'm taking an 8 blend. I should use these ones because this is like a dramatic, this to be pretty dark. It's easy to clean up. So I'm starting with a black gel liner. You can also use like a black pencil liner. I'm placing this on my lash line, going outwards. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm just going to blend and soften it. Just get it on there. See that? We're good. Now I'm taking a blending brush and I'm just going to lightly kind of go over it, smudge it, soften it. I'm grabbing a little bit more of the liner and adding it right at the
Where is my blend? Yep, this is a blending brush.
edge of my eye because I want this to be pretty dark. This is a NARS eyeshadow. It's called Chili. That shimmer.
Michaela Exclamite palette.
They look very sheer, kind of like they look boring. Is what I'm gonna say. But when you layer them over an eyeliner, they are so pretty. Don't be fooled by the sheerness. So using my finger, I'm just placing this on all over my lid. Then coming in with like a deep purple shade. This is a matte shade. But if you want to use shimmer, you can use it.
So I'm using the shade Manifest first, but we have to prime real quick. So I'm just going to take my eyeshadow brush from Elle Cosmetics.
If you want to use shimmer, you can use shimmer as well. Placing this around the edge of the eye and then coming lightly into the crease. Having that black down first will make this appear a lot darker. So if like you don't have a dark purple, layer it over a black, and there you go. You now have a dark purple. A brush with nothing on it, going to go around the edge,
Portuguese.
soften and smoke it out. I like to smoke out my shadow. This part is always optional. Grab that shade and then add it in right on the edge. Well, shade, this is a matte shade, but if you want to use shimmer, you can use shimmer as well. Placing this around the edge of the eye and then coming lightly into the crease. Having that black down first will make this appear a lot darker. So if like you don't have a dark purple, layer it over a black, and there you go. You now have a dark purple. A brush with nothing on it, going to go around the edge, really soften and smoke it out. I like to smoke out my shadow. This part is always optional. Grab that shade and then add it in right on the edge.
Going back in with Portuguese.
And then add it in right on the edge. Taking a makeup remover wipe, cleaning up the fallout, kind of sharpen the edge as well. This this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Pyro. The corner of my eye and then coming into my crease.
Yeah, I don't have any glitter liners, so.
And I'll be right back. When you see a whitehead, you have to pick it. For foundation today, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin.
So I already know the rest of this look, so I just wanted to make sure I got the eyes right. So we're just gonna go in with the Flawless Face Brush from e.l.f. and we're going in with the Flawless Finish Satin Foundation in Buff. Clean up underneath my eye. And then we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Satin e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in Fair Rose. So I forgot to grab my contour palette, so I'm just going to use this shade right here called Harley to contour my face. Then I'm taking the Vintage Lace highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to take my blending brush from e.l.f. and we're going in with the first shade. And I'm putting this on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose and over my Cupid's bow. Blending it out. Then we're going in with the ColourPop Lizzie McGuire blush in You Are Magnifico. Blending, blending, blending. Then I'm going in with my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Waterproof Mascara. And then I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Medium Mauve lipstick. And that completes this look. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified about everything that happens here on my channel. I hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, butterflies!